Olympians in Pursuit of Perfection, presented by Li Ning. 16-year-old Zhang Yuan, one of the most talented gymnasts on China's team of elite stars, and one of the youngest. This native daughter of Guangxi province started at age 4. She made it onto the gymnastics team of Zhejiang province at age 7, and then the national team at age 11. Last year, Zhang captured gold on the floor exercise at the World Cup in Shanghai, gold for the all-around title at the Good Luck Beijing Games, and a team silver in the Stuttgart World Championships. On the uneven bars last year, she captured gold in Shanghai and silver in Beijing. How does this young teenager conquer her nerves? Concentration and focus. Her role model?
Chen Fei.
Team captain Chen Fei, because Chen trains harder than anyone, and when competing, she's stable and fearless. The lowest point in Zhang's career? Being discouraged by others, then calling her mom to say she wanted to quit, who then told her, be brave and don't give up. And what's her secret of success? Train hard 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. Listen to great coaches and be brave. Zhang Yuan, one of the world's best in pursuit of Olympic perfection. Sponsored by Li Ning. Anything is possible.